Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up call forwarding on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone when you are unreachable. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and you want to select the phone app. And then you want to select the three-dotted icon on the top right. Go ahead and select that icon and then select the settings button. And then underneath general, you want to select where it says calls. Where it says call forwarding, go ahead and select that. And then when it says when unanswered or when unreachable, so go ahead and select which option you really want to cover here. So if you want to do when unreachable, for example, select that. Type in the number you want calls to be directed to, and then select turn on. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.